Well, in one of my videos, I'm going to put a professional killstreak soda popper kit on my professional killstreak. I mean, what the fuck is going on? Oh,
We're going to double cross, man.
oh, my tf2 lagged quite a fuck ton.
I mean, it's very unusual to find TF2 lagging, isn't it?
I know, right? Fucking real computer this big.
Hey, Valve, I've heard this rumor that you're going to update the engine driving TF2 to maybe something newer and more powerful. Wouldn't that be a damn good idea?
Fucking do the
Hey, welcome to the house of fun.
I think they did the rockets and flamethrower hit registration perfectly. It's just all the bullets melee and
Oh,
it's great.
fucking sniper, ballless cunt.
Jesus. Give me a second.
I did light someone up, and I
Alright.
killed him too. You're edgy and cancer. Fuck your edgy and cancer.
Well, I'm gonna put a professional kill streak kit on my unusual soda popper.
Ah,
Boom. It's already done, and Wait, give me a second. Fucking let me look at this item. Oh, where's the shine? Give me the shine again. Fuck yeah, there's the shine. This is what happens when you put a professional killstreak kit in
he
game.
asked me to be kicked.
Who? Some cockhead.
Where are we going? Where is this all going?
Why is everyone so cancer in this?
Oh my god! I got killed by that's stupid. Report me, it says. Report me. He wants to be reported.
Oh, that guy looks pretty cool. Give me a second.
Who is it?
Some fucking random scout. Was that you, by the way, Fats?
What?
I don't.
I'm the one with the nabbler head.
Alright, give me a second. I'm trying to fix my professional killstreak problem. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. I finally can fucking see it. Alright. Alright. I can't fucking jump up there. Unless if I have a third jump, which is what the freaking atomizer's for. Oh fuck. Hey. I'm actually. Oh, look at that scout. That scout looks pretty nice. Oh, that is rude, whoever did that. What? Did that sentry just shoot through the floor? I feel like I'm in the wrong position to game right now because I've been like fucking gaming on the couch all day playing other games. Disgusting.
But it's not. It's gaming's like sex. You can have it in any position.
Yeah, but you have to have it in the position you're usually used to the most.
Well, then a relationship becomes boring. How can you explore the relationship with your computer if you don't change positions?
Fuck's sakes. Oh, man. I wish Soda Popper didn't have that. You have to shoot. Instantly fucking got out of spawn, just instantly died because of some fucking scout. I think he also had a little bit of random crits, but still. For someone who always wants to be reported, right? He's just spamming it. Oh yeah, you're so skilled. What a fucking skill person. Fucking, you know, fuck yeah. Oh yeah, sticky spam. Oh yeah, fucking sticky spam that. It's disgusting.
Oh, Godfather, guys.
Fucking. Wait, is that you, Fats?
Me? With the fucking thing on my head? How the fuck did this happen? We failed. Because people are dancing in Spawn. That's how it failed.
I survived because I drink soda popper. Turbine, no! Why?
2-4. No!
No one's gonna.
Let's go down the sewers. Let's just hang in the sewers.
Hey, does it change my profile name if it says who's the top inventory?
Yeah, it does. You're right down the bottom, dude.
Because I was doing so bad and I'm not used to this position, and also I haven't been using Bonkman as much, and talking about not using Bonkman, not using Scout as much as fucking Demo and Pyro for some reason, because I like those two now.
Okay, fair enough. I'll accept your excuse this once. But I can't trade because your mum gay. I can't trade because your mum gay.
Alright, let's just, let's not make this horrible,
any horrible that it needs to be.
Yeah.
Just accept the fact your mum's gay. And be done with it.
Okay. Give me a second, I'm just gonna check backpack.tf.
Oh. Angry goldfish burned me. I'm gonna eat you.
What a fucking dick scout. He was like fucking killing me while I was trying to search through backpack.tf. Oh my god. Alright, give me a second.
I was killed by Jormut. Does that sound like vomit? I was killed by vomit. I mean Jormut. I was killed by Jormut. Or should I call it more obnoxious knob? He's got a pingu face. Pingu, 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 pingu.
No.
Down the sewers, turtles.
Oh, good
Go
lord.
down the sewers, turtles.
Freaking snipers should have a turtle shell that, what? I stole you, kill.
You fucking maggot. I've got to go and get health. I'm so sick. Ugh.
I don't get it. Fucking hello. Yeah, bitch. You can't hit me for shit. Suck. I don't understand! My bullets weren't hitting him when I went straight through him.
He was a fucking ghost of Christmas present. The sentry there, I reckon.
Fucking! I nearly got shot to oblivion. No! Fuck off!
Did you bonk, man?
Yeah, I bonked. I bonked up to prepare for the sentry gun. I don't know how to take care of it, and the team is actually pretty good. I always dreamed that TF2 should have 9 versus 9. Do you reckon TF2 should have a 9v9? And the maximum amount of duplicate classes you can do in casual is
Oh my god!
you died from someone with a
Why
fucking...
did you say that name? Why did you say that name? Did somebody call you a fucking poofter or someone? Did someone take offense at being called gay?
I don't know. Report me.
report
Oh! It's fucking someone who wants to get back banned.
I bet you... I bet you're somebody who they don't want to really get backpad.
But they're spamming it, and I'm making a YouTube video of trying to, if you spam something, just trying to make the community look like they're evil or something.
Yeah, okay, well I just burned him, but he didn't die. Hacker? I don't know. The default thing, if you can't kill someone, hacker! They shoot you. Hacker! Oh my god! He's a hacker!
Yeah, fucking, this is what people usually do. I usually say fucking hacker a lot because they legit are, but the thing is, I don't really say it now that much. TF2 needs a def cam, that's what I'm saying. TF2 needs a def cam.
Yeah, like PUBG. And they need more people.
Oh, wait, what the fuck am I doing? I forgot I had a... You have the control point, give me that back! What an... Hey, did you see that dickhead? Oh yeah, sticky spamming dude.
Our intelligence is just inside our thing. We should just take it downstairs, quick. And then some demo man was running out with our intelligence.
No,
Hopefully they managed to kill him. But if... fucking hell.
He's a fucking sticky spammer.
Fuck, man!
Wait, how is no one getting the intelligence? Ain't this just great?
Quick! Kill that little scout shit downstairs.
You're fucking kidding me! He got crits! You know what?
Can we ask him to kick his hacker? Kick your hacker.
Who's the cheater?
Kick your hacker.
Wait, who's the cheater?
I think that scout is because he just doesn't seem to burn.
No one seems to fucking get hit by my fucking shotgun.
Oh, there's a fucking sentry in our fucking sentry in our int.
This guy's legit. You know what? Using sticky spamming? Oh, you're so cool.
Fucking shithead.
Fucking disgusting. Hey, look, I'm on top of the leaderboard with 5 points. Go me.
What the fuck? I reckon the top guy was a bit of a hacker, mate. I don't know. Who got 2 fought? It's so cancerous. Do you want to leave?
Yeah, sure. Fuck it.
Okay. Well, peace out this episode and fucking hell. No, man. Oh, man. I think that it's just like, why do they... anyway, I mean, we could do... I'm over it, so...
Anyway, I'll just peace out my professional killstreak kit.